Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. While we've seen some cryptos do really well, we had some tradable lows on the Bitcoin chart, Ethereum chart. We talked about Litecoin here this week, but I think that was nearly it. You know, there weren't many others that did really well, and Polkadot was one of them that didn't really do well. It is quite a boring chart. I had quite a lot of requests for Polkadot, but it's just not doing anything. And that's a shame because it plays quite an important role, I believe, in the in the development of the crypto space. And this again just shows that price movements and the building of price and charts, they have to do with sentiment. That's exactly what the Elliott waves here measure and what we use. Nothing with fundamentals, because arguably Polkadot is a really good project. Yeah, fundamentally really solid project, but the chart just doesn't do anything at the moment. Yeah, now we have off this high in August, at around $10. We have 5 waves down in what I consider to be a diagonal pattern, and there's different ways of how this diagonal can be drawn, and to be honest, it doesn't really make too much of a difference. But of the high, I can look at this as a 5-wave move: 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th wave. And we could say that possibly the bear market low has been struck. You know, we did wait for another low; it happened. So primary expectation fulfilled for Polkadot, but it's still a coin where I am more leaning towards another low now, because it just hasn't shown enough evidence that the low is in. Okay, so first of all, I think it becomes quite evident that we are still in some kind of a channel here. Can you see that? We are still in some kind of a channel, and I take all those lines out. We don't really need them anymore. We are in some kind of a channel. As long as we are in this channel, I don't see really the prospect or the strong chance of Polkadot ending this bear market. I mean, at least for us, in order to get evidence, we need to see a lot more of Polkadot. And as I said, of course, there's a chance that Polkadot or DOT ended the bear market here around $5. That's possible. But for us to get more confidence about this idea, we now need to see a much stronger movement in 5 waves. We're far away from that. So if we go here into the detail, you can actually see that off the low here from the 22nd of November low, you can actually count 5 waves up. I mean, this is a 5-wave move, and there's again, there's different ways of how this can be counted, especially on the lower time frame. But to keep it simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a 5-wave move. Wave 1, the longest wave in this case, not a problem. But 5 waves up, and then you've got an ABC down. You've got a 3-wave move down off the high, A, B, C. We did hold that low here at $5.06, and we are now pushing higher in what you could argue is a 5-wave move as well, which is great, because then in the end, this could become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we've not completed it yet. And until we've seen so many attempts of these coins in this bear market to try to rally, to try to put something in place. They often failed at 3 waves. So don't get too excited about this. What needs to happen here first, and the absolute minimum is good. I mean, it's fulfilled. The importance is that in this move up, we now broke above the wave 1 high. Because yesterday here, or a few days ago, we failed at this resistance. Now at least we pushed above it. Now that's good. That's a first sign that things could be changing. But you can consider this as a 1-2 setup, and then we calculate the target for the 3rd wave. And we would need to reach the $5.95 level in this 3rd wave. If we get there, then hold support in a 4, then push higher in a 5, and basically go above the wave 3 high. Then we've got 5 relevant waves. And if we then hold support in an ABC correction, we can be more confident that a low has been made. At the moment, this is not enough for me yet to confirm that. We are on track here, but it could very well at the moment just be an ABC pattern again and another breakout to the downside to follow. So My view at the moment is here, I'm gonna focus further on the downside until the chart proves to me that it's finally capable of pushing in 5 waves to the upside and in holding support in a wave 2. Basically doing this as a wave 1, coming back in a wave 2 support, and then it could cascade higher like as follows here, basically as a wave 1, then we come down in 2, hold support, move higher in 3, come down in 4 and move up in 5, and then we hold a support again, you know, and that's how it builds and cascades higher. But you know, if we are here starting to do something, it's too early to really confirm anything. We're very, very early days. Important resistance levels, of course, here the descending trend line and the wave 4 high here at $7.41, and then the wave 2 high at $8.08. You know, those are the key levels that need to be broken as well. So no reason to FOMO here, you know, it's not doing anything anyway. But even if it starts pushing, I would want to wait for a signal, you know, just waiting for a confirmed bottom in place. Otherwise, you know, you're just calling the catching the falling knife. Okay, and that's my update about Polkadot. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.